In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger side mirror glass on this Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Taking a quick look on the back side of this new mirror glass, you'll see that it has two clips on the bottom and two hooks on the top. What this tells us is that we have to unclip the bottom first, tilt it, unhook the top by pushing it down, and then of course if yours has a heated mirror option, you're going to want to unplug the connectors, but regardless, we're going to have to pry it out from the bottom first. Unless yours is completely shattered already or even missing, a quick tip is to put some tape over this so that when you do pull on it, if it does happen to crack or break, it's not going to shoot shards of glass everywhere, but the tape will rather hold it all together. Now this doesn't have to be perfect, of course. It just has to cover up the mirror to prevent glass from coming off. Next, using a trim tool, I'm going to pry it out from the bottom, just like we talked about earlier. Looks like it all popped out. So what I did is I stuck my trim tool right in between this plastic piece and the glass. Looks like that popped it out quite easily. Now, because this vehicle does have heated mirrors, I'm going to have to unplug the connectors. Pull on the wires, and there is your mirror glass. Off of this old mirror, I'm going to have to remove this tab and install it on the new mirror, and I'm going to lift this plastic piece with a pocket screwdriver. That way I'm able to remove the metal tab. Okay, take this out. On the new mirror, slide that in here. This is just a little anti-vibration spring. It's going to rest up against the side and prevent the mirror from shaking like this as you're driving down the road. Grab the new mirror, plug the two connectors back in. Make sure that these are secure. And now we're going to have to hook on the two hooks in here and then push it to clip it onto the bottom, while also paying attention to this little spring, making sure that it rests right up against here. Okay, when you push it like that, try to be gentle. Unfortunately, you do have to sometimes give it a little hit. Use your hand, not something else like any sort of rubber mallet or anything that will break the glass, but you want to give it a very firm push, but try not to push right on the edge, but rather right in the center here where the clips are. You don't want it flexing at all, otherwise it will crack. Also, feel free to put some tape over this if you're afraid that you may crack it. At this point, it is nice and secure. Give it a few taps to make sure it's not going to fall off. Set it back to how you had it before, and there you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.